Hi, my name is Michelle. Today I'm going to talk about how to evaluate NFTs. Who owns an NFT in the audience? Awesome. This is me. I do a lot of things. I came from PayPal at first, was there for 6 years, make it big and famous. And then I left and decided to do something scary and unknown. So I did startups. Today I am a mentor at different Web3 accelerators around the world. I also did a lot of AI projects in the past and also currently. Um, this is a little bit of what I did. I worked on a few robots in the past. One of them is Sophia. It's called the Loving AI Project. We make robots that help humans become more conscious. And then another project that I did was called Robots Without Border, which is Luna AI there. It's like ChatGPT, but you can actually talk to her, and she will respond to you. And we use that to educate people with a team all around the world. Recently, I was working on the geospatial AI project with the US Army and Army Futures. And we do really cool stuff that I shouldn't talk about. And in my spare time, I also work on the DAO governance guideline. So I'm working with IEEE. We are developing a DAO governance guideline for the community so that they can use. I'm also an artist called BITGODDESSES and a developer. I was developing websites when I was in college. And after serving as a lawyer, I went back and started coding again, which is fun. Some of my AR work has reached over 1 billion impressions. And I think I have some games on the Apple top 100 games or top 10 fashion games or something. So today we're going to talk about evaluation of NFTs. I think you guys know that NFT represents ownership. It is one of a kind, unlike a lot of the cryptocurrency. And the size for the market is huge. It's 193.84 billion. It's going to grow. I think it's going to be bigger than that in the next 2 years, especially in the next 2 years. And then it's going to go from there. It might go down a little bit, but it's going to go up again. And I think we have our first NFT cycle. I know a lot of the artists left, but just like crypto, people are going to return, and there's going to be a lot of fraud, but it's going to be alive. So why do we want to evaluate NFTs? We wanted to identify their value. We want to know what the market trend is. We wanted to avoid like things that don't have value, and we want to be data-driven. I'm an NFT collector, and I buy a lot of NFTs from my friends. But sometimes I'll buy or purchase a bunch of PFPs. So this is a Bored Ape. Bored Ape came when a bunch of us are on Clubhouse. I don't know if you guys remember. They were giving it away for free. And now, it has value. So times change. When we evaluate NFTs, we wanted to ask, who is the creator? Is it original? What are some of the weird attributes? What is the history? Who is the artist? And what is his or her reputation? Why is the piece unique? What is its provenance? And which chain is it on? I think I've minted something on a Trezor chain, and the founder left. And then, someone took it over. But, those are things that are pretty important because, if you don't care about that, it might just disappear one day or might not be popular because of that. You also wanted to have a technical analysis of it and look at market. What is the price trends? What are the trading value? Can I sell it? Would someone buy it? What are some of the movement of the past and current market behavior? Those are important because during a bear market, I remember, I don't know if you guys remember Other Deed. You know, it broke the Ethereum network, right? So, and gas was really high, but now it's super, you know, the price is a lot lower right now. You also wanted to look at community and social. What is the strength of the community? Are people engaged? Are they active? What is their follower count? And do they have Discord and Twitter? So a lot of the NFT projects, and the value is really based on community and community engagement. And then also analyze the platform. Which NFT platform is it minted? What are the transaction fees? What is the size of the user base? And what is the type and specialty of the NFTs? You know, there's OpenSea, but there's a lot of specialty NFT marketplaces. There's also Bitcoin, like ordinals, as well as stamps. Where are they minted? And that also determines value. There's a lot of use cases and utility there for NFTs, such as digital art, gaming, virtual real estate, membership, gift cards, and IP. My friends and I get together, and we look at the IP a lot, because if they allow us to use the IP, then you could monetize it in different ways. And we think that it has more value. So that's something to check and to read the terms about. There are risks and challenges regarding the NFT market. There's volatility. NFT is gray. I know you guys know about Stoner Cats. They just had a SEC notice. And you could get the NFT, but not on OpenSea, but on another platform. And with the NFT, you can actually watch the video, which is really cool. There's also copyright issues. Like if you buy an NFT and it potentially has a copyright, OpenSea might take it down, and so the value might be lower as a result. Or it might be wrecked. The founders might disappear one day, or the developer may be gone, so the value of your NFTs might decrease. So always do your own research. These are all popular NFTs. I have it on the Ethereum, Bitcoin, ordinals, and Bitcoin stamps. So everyone knows Bored Apes. There's also the penguins. The penguins are doing really well because you can find their toys at Walmart right now. So there is a battle between the apes and the penguins. And then there's Azuki. There's also the classic, right, which is CryptoPunks, minted 2017, long time ago. And then we have the frogs, Bitcoin frogs, which is last year when the ordinals became hot. I actually own one of them. It's pretty excited to be part of their community. And also the stamps was really also came around April of last year as well. And CryptoPunks is one of their first collections. It was a free mint when it came out. So there's a whole community around that. And because of that, these are really successful. Some of the tools that I use is market analysis tools like non-fungible blockchain transaction tools such as Etherscan, and on Bitcoin there's a few tools as well which you can use. There's also community sentiment tools that you can use to see what Twitter is thinking, and it helps. I would always go to Twitter Spaces to support a community or to actually get data. Always try to stay informed. This is not investing advice, but we suggest that you diversify your portfolio, have a variety of NFTs, and then think about your short-term flips and long-term holds. For example, I might buy something like a frog and hold it for a while, or I could buy something that is shorter term and I might sell it immediately. Always read the terms and conditions, especially if you're using their IP. We are using AI for NFT analysis. We're using it for data-driven insights, price prediction, to analyze sentiments, to verify authenticity, and also to allow users to manage the portfolio. and also to analyze trends. So do follow us at Across AI. We created a ETH Denver GPT. I just did it before I flew here, so that you can find events. I did sit through 2 days going through the 350 side events there are, and I thought maybe I'll make something so that it's more efficient for everyone. And my Twitter account is BITGODDESSES. My show, Laptop Radio, is on YouTube at Laptop Radio, and I have talking about crypto since possibly 2017 on the show. And our team is really good. It contains AI professionals. So I'm really excited about it. So do follow us, and thank you.